We are not about to discuss how Vlogmas was a fail.
Previously on Ready to Die.
Hey beautiful, and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm starting off this new year with Sophia's 21-day challenge. It is not too late to get started, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and include her juice diet page here, and go ahead and be sure to check out Mango Madness. I love it. I want y'all to meet my little friend. Say hey to my vlog.
Hello,
And introduce yourself.
Fully introduce myself?
Introduce yourself. Y'all, you is so difficult. What in the
Andrew,
world?
her baby daddy. Her best friend, though. Oh, we finna eat.
What are you getting?
I'm about to get a knife in my heart. That's
Are
what's
you
gonna
getting
happen.
a bye? Are you getting an appetizer?
Congratulations. Okay.
How do you feel now that you have the title and you are the owner of the Hyundai Tucson?
Like I said, I just hope that I'm not running from the repo man next
Girl,
year.
please. No, you're not. Have faith.
That scene from I Love New York. My car and my cousin.
Oh, from fucking Pootie?
Running
No.
from the repo man. I'm like, oh Lord, don't let me turn into him. This is my financial situation.
Oh.
Now when I leave from here, I might not have nothing because I got a car that I'm ducking and dodging with because I'm running from the repo man.
I have to take a quick look at the VIN number. Oh, you are welcome. Alrighty. Congratulations. Thank you.
Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell them my clothes, no starch, please. Soon as I nut, you can go leave. Got M's in the bank, like yes.
Y'all, how she get her Fendi before me?
But there's only one. I got that.
Well, one of her Fendi's, like, she literally, we ordered our Skims Fendi collab at the same time yesterday. Mine still says waiting, or what did it say? Oh no, it said order placed, and hers is here.
Now the other one I think it still say order placed.
I think this color is so cute, but she didn't want this color originally. Which one? You said you wanted the black one or the brown? I guess I'm gonna wait on mine. See how long mine take.
24 hours later.
I don't know why they sent this huge box for this one item. I really don't. So this is the packaging. Fendi Skims. I'm just gonna put it right here. And these are the extras. Fendi Skims. Let me just show y'all what I got, because literally I only got one thing because yesterday was the last day to buy anything. Or not yesterday. I got this the last day of the collab, so it was really hard. Everything sold out very quickly. My sister had to remind me. So okay, it's just paper. So I got this biker neck bodysuit in a medium. So I have the top on. This is what it's looking like. I am absolutely in love. The quality feels so amazing, y'all. This is my very first luxury designer high-end article of clothing, and I absolutely
Love it. It's the first, it's definitely not the last. Black girl in luxury. Having shit my mother way, period. So we about to get started. I damped Kaylia, the nape of Kaylia's head. I guess she put conditioner in here, but
you can't even sit and be with all of these niggas be on you. Only saying I can be, yeah. But if you call and you talk to a girl, I'll share my world with you. You're gonna waste your time, yeah. Waste your time, baby. I mean, honestly, open your eyes and see. You're giving you what you need. Waste your time, baby. You could have all the space, all that you need. Ain't no pressure if you got time to waste it, baby. And I ain't worried about them. Girl, you all that I see, and I am who I am, and I be where I be. If you ever hit me on the late night, I'll give you a clear mind. Might give you some insight. I'll share my world with you.
so right now I'm just putting water on my hair so I can know where I'm cutting. Like I said, I'm just going to do a half up, half down today. And we're just going to get rid of the little straggly ends. I can't even see, so I'm probably going to do this off camera and then come back. Yo, I still have so much straight parts in the front. I'm gonna leave those alone for right now, but I cut it all off. I'm sure I have more to go. After I wash it, I'm gonna cut some more. But this is what it's looking like right now. Health is what we're looking for. Health over anything else. Hold on. I'm about to, this needs to be cut as well. I can already tell, but I'm gonna wait till I get back in the bathroom. Let's see how long it is. Oh my gosh. That's funny. That's fine. My hair has been this length before. Okay. It is 11:36. I'm so ready to be over this year. I'm over it. I'm so excited for this year. Me too. I'm ready. I don't know what's gonna happen, but I'm ready for whatever it is.